When you send an Excel worksheet to another person, they may sometimes ask for further explanations or clarifications about some information on that worksheet. What if you could send that explanation or clarification along with the worksheet, even before you were asked? Well, Excel has the perfect tool for this. It is called comments. How do we add comments? To add comments, supposing there are some cells here that need further clarification. Let's say this one, if you want to add a comment to it, all you have to do is right click and insert comment, and the comment box appears. So I'm going to add a comment here. This is just a test. Okay, so when you finish typing the comment, you click outside the box and then the comment is hidden. Let me add another comment somewhere else. So I right click on this cell, insert comment. I type this is below average and I click outside the box. I'm going to add a third comment. Here, right click, insert comment, our best customer. And then you click outside. You see, the only way you know there are comments is by the red mark on top of the cells. So whenever you want to see what comment is in each of these cells, all you have to do is point the mouse pointer here and then it displays it for you. When you take it away, it disappears. So we have 3 cells that have comments. We can edit the comments. Once you've added a comment, you can later on decide to make changes. To make the changes, right click on the cell and then select edit comment. You see, it opens it up for us to edit and then you can make the change. This is another test. You've made a change and then you click outside the cell. So we're able to add comment and then edit the comments. What if a comment is of no relevance to you anymore? You want to delete it. What do? You simply right click on that cell and then select delete comment. You see that there's no red mark anymore. It's been deleted. Okay, so that is how we delete the comments. The comments are not displayed by default. So if you want a particular comment to be displayed, right click in the cell and then click on show comments. You see that it is shown now. I'm going to right click on the other one, show comments, and this other one too, right click and show comments. You see that they're all displayed. You cannot look at them on your worksheets. When you want to make them not to be displayed, you right click in the cell, right click and hide comments. Right click, hide comments, and then right click, hide comment. So we displayed the cells one after the other. But if you want all the cells in your worksheet to be displayed at once, what you have to do is go to the review tab and then click on show all comments. You can see that all the comments have been displayed. So what else can we do with the comments? You can format the appearance of the comments. To do that, you point to the edge of the comments and then right click. And then you select format comments. What kind of changes can we make here? We can decide to change the color of the comments, the background color. I can decide to make it red and then the outline to be, let's say, yellow. And then the thickness of the outline you can also change. So when you've done that, you click OK. You can see that the comments looks different. You have to individually edit or format the comments in this way. What if you want to print your worksheet? What happens with your comments? By default, the comments will not be printed. If you display the comments here, they will still not be printed. So if you want them to be printed, you have to go to page layout setting, the page layout tab, and then click on this dialog box launcher. You click on it and another menu appears. Then you go to Sheets, and there you will see comments. So in the print settings, it says none. So I'm going to select as displayed on Sheets and then click OK. So after that, when you try to print your worksheet, it's going to display the comments. The comments will be displayed. So before you do that, if you don't do that, the comments will not be displayed. Okay, now supposing you have a very large worksheet and some of the comments are very repetitive. I have typed this comment here, which is below average. Now there are tens of other places I have to type the same thing. Instead of typing it manually, I can copy a comment. To copy a comment, you go to the cell, you right click and then copy. Where do you want to paste it? I want to paste it in the cell. So you right click, then instead of clicking paste, you select paste special. And the menu comes and then you select comments and then you click OK. You see that the cell has had a comment added. So you can copy and paste the comments as many times as possible. I hope this short video on Excel comments was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you another time. Bye for now.